Hello, art lovers! Welcome to the Freedom of Colors channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a unique watercolor shade, Violet Rose from the St. Petersburg White Nights series. We'll explore its story, technical features, and creative applications together. Get ready to be inspired by this fascinating color. St. Petersburg White Nights Violet Rose uses the pigment PV2, which is exclusive to this brand. You won't find this tone in any other watercolor series. Let's break down its properties. Light fastness. High, meaning your artwork will retain its color vibrancy for years. Transparency, semi-transparent, offering flexibility for layering techniques. Texture and color flow. When diluted, Violet Rose creates soft transitions. Used more intensely, it delivers bold and vivid expressions. Now, where can you use Violet Rose in your artwork? Portraits. This color is perfect for adding subtle cool shadows on areas like under the eyes or around the neck, enhancing depth and realism. Floral paintings. Ideal for painting flowers such as lavender, violets, or orchids with delicate, transparent textures. Nature and landscape art. Create atmospheric effects in sunset skies or morning light with soft floral shadows and petal details. The power of a color lies in how it interacts with other shades. Let's explore combinations for Violet Rose. Contrasting colors. Pair it with orange or yellow for striking, eye-catching compositions. Harmonious shades. Blend it with pink or blue for gentle, pastel transitions. I personally love using this shade for portrait shadows and floral details. What about you? How would you use Violet Rose in your artwork? Have you already tried it? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you have suggestions for colors you'd like me to explore in future videos, let me know. Purple tones have held a special place in art history, symbolizing royalty and nobility. In modern watercolor art, shades like Violet Rose are often used to convey emotional depth and elegance. They're especially popular in abstract works and floral compositions. Every color tells a story in the world of art. What story would you create with Violet Rose? Let us know in the comments, and we can't wait to see your creations. Stay tuned for our next video featuring another inspiring color. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join us on this colorful journey